Hello everyone. Today's topic of lecture is the body fluids. Body fluids. These are the two types of body fluids: intercellular and intracellular. Extracellular. Intracellular fluids, which means fluid contained inside the cells, and extracellular fluid means fluid which contain outside the cell or in the cavity. Body fluids are the dilute watery solution containing dissolved chemicals that are found inside the cells as well as surrounding them. Uh, Intracellular fluid mainly contain cytoplasm and cytosols, part of the cells. Extracellular fluid. There are five types of extracellular fluid. First, interstitial fluid. Interstitial fluid is the fluid which fills the narrow space. Fluid is also known as interstitial fluid, in which ECF within the blood vessels is termed as blood plasma. In lymphatic vessel, lymph. These are the both are interstitial fluids. Transcellular fluid. Second type of intracellular fluid is transcellular fluid. If extracellular fluid in and around the brain and spinal cord is known as cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. If in the joints the fluid is present is known as synovial fluid. If in ears, aqueous humor or vitreous humor. It is also known as intraocular fluid. Third type of extracellular fluid is serous fluid. These are the fluids present in the closed cavity in the body. Example: pleural fluid present around the lungs, pericardial fluid around the hearts, peritoneal fluid around it is present around the abdominal or pelvic organs. Amniotic fluid. Fourth type of extracellular fluid is amniotic fluid present inside the fetus and protect the child from the injury. Gastric fluid help in the digestion of food. Main disease related to body fluids are edema, in which accumulation of excessive fluid happens in tissue, and ascites, accumulation of fluid in abdominal cavity. Uh, Various fluids in body are like example: saliva, milk, semen, gastric fluid, and mucus. Next topic of our lecture is blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. Blood contains plasma, platelets, RBC, erythrocyte, and WBC, also known as leukocytes. Main function of blood is to carry oxygen and nutrient from mm, digestive system to various organs. RBCs, also known as erythrocytes. RBCs are the non-nucleated. Most of them contain hemoglobin in their structure, and their structure is disc-like structure and ruptured from inside. And one molecule of hemoglobin carries the four molecule of oxygen. There are many number of hemoglobin molecule present in one RBC. Second, WBC or leukocytes. These are the mm, blood cells which are white in color, therefore it is called as leukocytes. Contain nucleus, provide defense against infection. Type of leukocytes are as follow: granulocytes and agranulocytes. In granulocytes there are sub three type of granulocytes. One, neutrophils. Their function is to kill bacteria. Second is eosinophils. Their function is to kill parasites or perform allergic reaction which is related to histamine. Third, basophil, which attacks the WBCs. in, or it is also known as self killer cells, agranulocytes. Lymphocytes, in agranulocyte there are two subtypes. One, lymphocytes then mature into B lymphocyte, B antibody, and T antigenous. T antibody fight the viruses and fungus. Monocytes become macrophage which eat intruders. Basic function of monocytes is to eat intruders in the body. Third part of blood is platelet. Platelet main function is to coagulate the blood bleeding, or uh, recover the blood when it's happen of bleeding. There is four step in coagulation of blood. Bleeding occurs, vascular spasms, platelet plug formation means fibrin connect to the wound of blood cells, and coagulation happens. Thank you.